Welcome back, traders. It's December 17th, 2024, and as always I'm here to bring you the latest insights on the Forex market and what to expect heading into the next workday. Buckle up, because we've got some crucial updates that could shape your trading strategy. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a quick look at how the major currency pairs performed today. The US dollar held its ground against most of its rivals, buoyed by stronger than expected retail sales data. This suggests consumers are still spending despite concerns about higher interest rates. The DXY index closed up by 0.3%, signaling ongoing strength in the greenback. Looking at euro to US dollar, the pair slid by 0.25% as hawkish remarks from Fed officials contrasted with the European Central Bank's more cautious stance. Pound sterling to US dollar followed suit, dropping by 0.4% amid disappointing UK inflation figures. Meanwhile, US dollar to Japanese yen climbed 0.5%, reflecting renewed yen weakness as Japan's central bank reaffirmed its ultra-loose monetary policy. Commodity currencies like the Australian and Canadian dollars faced headwinds too. Australian dollar to US dollar fell by 0.3%, hurt by declining commodity prices, while US dollar to Canadian dollar ticked higher as oil prices slipped below $72 a barrel. Now, let's talk about the key economic events you need to watch tomorrow. First up, we have the German IFO Business Climate Index, which will give us fresh insights into Europe's largest economy. Analysts are expecting a slight uptick, but any downside surprise could put additional pressure on the euro. Next, over in the US, keep an eye on the housing starts and building permits data. A robust reading here could further bolster the dollar by reinforcing the narrative of a resilient US economy. Finally, the Bank of Japan's policy meeting minutes will be released. While no major surprises are expected, any hints of a shift in their dovish stance could jolt the yen and related pairs. Alright, let's switch gears to technical analysis. Starting with euro to US dollar, the pair is trading near the 1.0650 support level. A break below this could open the door to 1.0600, while resistance remains at 1.0750. Watch for any reactions around these key levels. For US dollar to Japanese yen, the 150.00 level is acting as a magnet, and the pair looks poised to test this zone again. A clear break above could pave the way for a move towards 151.00. And don't overlook pound sterling to US dollar. The pair is flirting with its 200-day moving average at 1.2150. A sustained break below this could accelerate selling pressure towards 1.2000. Now, let's discuss some trading strategies you might want to consider for tomorrow. For euro to US dollar, consider a short position if it breaks below 1.0650 with a tight stop above 1.0675. On the flip side, a bounce from support could offer a buying opportunity towards 1.0750. If you're trading US dollar to Japanese yen, watch for a breakout above 150.20. Momentum could carry the pair higher, but be cautious of fakeouts, especially during low liquidity periods. For pound sterling to US dollar, selling rallies near resistance at 1.2200 could be a smart play, particularly if UK data continues to disappoint. To wrap things up, remember that market sentiment can shift quickly, especially with central bank chatter and economic data in focus. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and don't overtrade. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all things Forex. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!